model represents the lungs and the diaphragm of a person. The straw is the representation of the trachea. The two balloons is the left and right lungs, and the rubber sheet that is below the two balloons is the diaphragm. When we pull down the rubber bottle, the air pressure inside the bottle decreases, and when the rubber pushes up the air, pressure inside increases. I have found out that upon inhalation, the diaphragm contracts downward and gets flattened upon exhalation. The diaphragm gets relaxed upward.